In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the fully automated robot, the continuation trade. In the members area, you should be able to see the downloads section. If you don't see that, you'll need to either log in or register your account. Click on downloads here. And then here you'll see the latest version of the continuation trade. If you haven't sent us your machine ID, please email that to support@faithfulfamilyinvestments.com. We'll click on download now. And then in NinjaTrader 8, we'll click on tools, and then import, and then NinjaScript add-on. The NinjaScript add-on will only work in a paid version of NinjaTrader 8. It won't work in the free version. We'll select the latest version of the continuation trade. And you'll need to click on OK to continue. And we'll say yes to all of these. Go ahead and replace the indicators. If it was successful, it'll say NinjaTrader successfully imported all the scripts contained in the NinjaScript archive file.